FxMath Gold AI Elite. Live trading results for Friday, August 28, 2026. Today on XAUUSD Gold, the system closed 13 trades for a net gain of 1,844.7 pips. Here is the full breakdown. The headline numbers: 13 trades closed, 12 winners, and just one small loss. A win rate of 92.3%. Total profit: 1,844.7 pips, averaging 142 pips per trade. 10 sell trades and 3 buys, all executed hands-free by the FxMath Elite Pro Random Forest Engine. Trades 1 through 7. The session opened with a 142.3 pip sell, then a string of steady gains. A single buy trade gave back 5.9 pips, the only red on the board. By mid-session, the cumulative profit had built to 628.4 pips. Trades 8 through 13 closed out the day strong. 2 big sells on gold delivered 360.7 and 605.8 pips. The final cumulative total reached 1,844.7 pips, a powerful day on XAUUSD. The standout moves: the largest single trade, 605.8 pips, then 360.7, 206, and 200 pips. These 4 trades alone contributed over 1,300 pips to today's result, proof of the model's trend capture on gold. Get FxMath Gold AI Elite with a limited time 50% discount. 1 month is $69. 6 months is $199. 12 months, the best value, is $299. 2 years is $399. Or go lifetime for $799. One time, forever. Every plan includes both MetaTrader 4 and 5 on up to 3 accounts. Pay in crypto, BTC, ETH, USDT, and more. Visit www.FxMath.com to claim your license. Want results like these, fully automated? FxMath Gold AI Elite runs on MetaTrader 4 and 5, training its own random forest models live on every chart. Visit www.FxMath.com. Join our Telegram at t.me/FxMathAI or email fxmathsolution@gmail.com. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Trade responsibly.